Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you're excited because I'm really excited to guide you through this oilless okra soup recipe. Okay, so we're going to be using chicken. You can use any protein of choice, and you already know how we'll do it. You just use salt and any seasoning of your choice as well for seasoning the protein. And you can add your onions. I know there are a lot of people who don't like onions. It's fine, you can blend it or you can skip adding onions at all. So this has just boiled for some time, and I added iced fish and I think some dry fish as well. Anyways, you can use any fish of your choice or you can skip it if you don't want to. So this protein had boiled for some time and we don't want it to break, right? So we're going to separate that from the stock. Now to what actually makes this beautiful oilless okra soup sweet. So this, I just added some blended tatashe and peppers. Okay, so this gives the color, and most people don't even know that okay, there's no oil in this soup when you serve them, except you tell them. Some people might actually know, but I've seen people not know that okay, there's no oil in the soup. And trust me, this oilless okra soup always hits the right spot. It is sweeter than an okra soup cooked with oil. Believe me, if you've tried this, you already know. So yes, after the okra and the leaves were added, I just let it sit on its own and steam for a bit before I actually stirred it and added in all the protein. At this point, your soup is ready. You just need to stir, maybe adjust the consistency, adjust the taste, and the soup is ready to be served. Tell me, what swallow would you like with this oilless okra soup? Personally, I like bao. I like yellow eba. I don't like semo. But then I think yellow eba is the perfect swallow for oilless okra soup, for any okra soup anyways. So I hope you all enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed putting you guys through. And if you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next video.